Alright, mate, let's talk about something that could honestly change your life. Domino Momentum. Now I know what you're thinking. What's with the fancy name? Well, it's all about how one small shift in your thinking can knock down the next and the next, until before you know it, your whole mindset's transformed. See, we all have 5 levels of thought running through our heads. Positive, constructive, neutral, negative, and destructive. Most of us don't realize how much these thoughts drive our emotions and even our behavior, but here's the kicker. When you actually slow down and look at where your mind's hanging out most of the time, you start spotting patterns. Are you stuck in a loop of negative self-talk? Or maybe you float in neutral, never pushing yourself forward? Domino Momentum isn't just about noticing your thoughts, it's about doing something with that knowledge. By reflecting and asking yourself the tough questions, you can actually catch those destructive thoughts before they spiral and choose to lean into the constructive or positive ones instead. It's like training your mind to bounce back, to grow, to thrive. And the best part, you don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Just nudge one domino and the rest will follow. So if you're ready to break free from old habits and build a mindset that lifts you up, give Domino Momentum a go. It could be the start of your best chapter yet.